Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market update dated the 24th of July, 2023. The Indian market wilted under selling pressure in a volatile day of trade to end lower on July 24th, with earnings season and weak global cues dragging the equity benchmarks lower. The 30-pack Sensex ended at 66,384.78, down 299.48 points or 0.45%. The broad-based Nifty 50 closed at 19,672.35, down 0.37% or 72.65 points. The biggest Nifty gainers of the day were SBI Life Insurance Company, IndusInd Bank, and Dr. Reddy's Laboratories. The losers included ITC, Kotak Mahindra Bank, and Tech Mahindra. Talking about the corporate segment, we have the Power Finance Corporation Limited has executed various memoranda of understanding worth over 2.37 rupees lakh crore with 20 clean energy companies both in the public and private sectors. PFC, which looks to position itself as the focal funding agency for energy transition, signed these memorandum of understanding with solar, wind power, green hydrogen, battery storage, and electric vehicle companies along with the manufacturers of green energy equipment among others in the clean energy space. Adani, Greenco, Renew, Continuum, Avrada, JBM Auto, Mega Engineering and Infrastructure Limited, and Rajasthan Renewable Energy were some of the companies with whom PFC signed the Memorandum of Understanding. Shares of INDRAPRATHA Gas Limited slumped 5% on July 24 as the company's growth was subdued during the April-June quarter of financial year 2024. Even as brokerage firms have recommended buying IGL shares, adoption of electric vehicles is a looming threat to the company's volume in the medium to long term. Meanwhile, Jefferies has buy a recommendation on the stock with a target price of 565 rupees. The brokerage firm pointed out that earnings in the near term are supported by expanding margin on feedstock cost relief. However, adoption of electric vehicle in the NCR region poses a medium-term risk to 30% of the company's overall volume, Jefferies cautioned. BIOCON shares were down 5% on Monday after the company received 6 observations from the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. The US FDA conducted 2 GMP inspections at BIOCON Insulin's manufacturing facility in Malaysia, encompassing biologics drug substance, drug product units and quality control laboratories, as well as the delivery devices unit. These inspections were conducted between July 10 and 20. The agency has issued Form 483 with 6 observations for drug substance, drug product units and quality control laboratories as well as 2 observations for the delivery devices unit. The country's second largest private sector lender has reported a 39.7% on-year growth in standalone profit, at 9,648 rupees crore for quarter ended June financial year 2024, despite elevated provisions and contingencies. Net interest income increased by 38% on-year to 18,227 rupees crore, with net interest margin expansion of 77 basis points on-year at 4.78%, while loan growth was 18.1% and deposits grew by 17.9% year-on-year. Asset quality was stable with gross NPA falling 5 bps sequentially to 2.76%, and net NPA flat at 0.48% for the quarter. The private sector lender has recorded profit at 343 rupees crore for quarter ended June financial year 2024 despite doubled the provisions and contingencies year-on-year, with operating profit growing 38.8% year-on-year to 818 rupees crore. Net interest income grew by 8.1% on-year to 2,000 rupees crore, with net interest margin rising 10 basis points year-on-year to 2.5% for the quarter, while advances increased 7.4% on-year to 2 rupees lakh crore, and deposits rose 13.5% year-on-year to 2.19 rupees lakh crore. On the asset quality front, gross NPA fell 20 bps quarter-on-quarter to 2%, and net NPA jumped 20 basis points quarter-on-quarter to 1% for the quarter, while slippages for the quarter at 1,430 rupees crore against 1,196 rupees crore in previous quarter. RTI Drugs in daily time frame is trading around 605.5 points with a change of 18.6%. and is trading with a net volume of around 13 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 522.2, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 85.32. NOX Wind in daily time frame is trading around 211.45 points with a change of 11.6%, and is trading with a net volume of around 5.24 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 192.6, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 72.45. For stocks to watch, we have AU Small Finance Bank looks good on current market price of 739.15. It can be bought at 740 rupees, keeping target of 767 rupees with stop loss of 716. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via a call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.